Hey everyone, welcome back to the OHARTO channel. In this episode, we're starting a brand new character design. This time, I went with a golem, but not your typical one. Our golem is styled like a knight, with a backstory that makes it more than just a pile of stone. The idea is that he's a guardian of an ancient church. He's been standing as the last line of defense for centuries, only awakening when the church is truly threatened. A towering, powerful figure with a noble purpose. Unfortunately, I forgot to record the very beginning of the process, so all I can show you is the first sketch, but we'll pick it up from there. For this design, I really wanted to emphasize his size and presence, so I used a lot of bold shapes, mainly rectangles and circles, to give him that massive, heavy look. The oversized shield is a key part of his character, symbolizing his protective role. And I gave him huge hands to show his strength and how firmly he can wield that massive shield. This time, I started with a clean line sketch, which is a bit different from how I usually begin. I typically do my line work in Clip Studio Paint, then move the sketch over to Photoshop to handle all the coloring and rendering. The main steps in this process were sketching out the initial action poses, blocking in light and shadow, adding base colors to the character, applying occlusion shadows and bounce lighting, and finally, doing the detailed rendering to finish the piece. This is more or less the workflow I use in all my designs, as long as I have the time and energy to really dive into it. Hope you enjoy watching the process. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave a comment. Now let's get into the design of our knight golem.
And that's it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more character designs and world-building content. See you in the next one.